today tennis is back at David Lloyd. My tennis and all. We're very excited to be back at David Lloyd. Now watch me beat my daddy and my sister. No more empty car parks or driveways. Instead of proper tennis courts with a real net. We can finally practice our skills and run really fast. Thanks for David Lloyd, we had so much fun. Now watch our return to tennis adventure. Gobeithio eich bod wedi mwynhau ein hantyr tennis.